Pandas, I replace column values to empty if not present in predefined list. I have a list, X, that contains a set of legal values for a column. Say, I have column A, I want to replace set to empty string elements in the F, if their value is not in X. How can I do that efficiently in Pandas? I know there is icing, but that just checks if the values are present and returns a series of true/false.
You can use the standard Pandas indexing here. df.a.icon x will revert the Boolean series returned by df.a.icon x, i.e. false, true, and true, false.
You can do it with apply.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.